if it's that bad, my guy. Alright. Are you ready? This one definitely should be easier. Got it. I got it. But you can see the roots, bro. Look. These roots are strong and long and powerful. Just like I wanted them to be. Cause I don't got compost like that. I just do like, if we eat like eggs, I mean, fuck, not eggs. If we eat like fruit or some shit, I mean eggs too, eggshells. I know, what else? Coffee grounds, water though. Like I can put coffee grounds in the water, which I probably will do next. I did this one, nah, this is the one. This motherfucker, I did that. I did that one. But will this piece get too heavy right here? What y'all think? I did that one though, y'all. I did that one.